Hey guys, this is Danielle with WTI here, and I'm here to share with you this awesome and super cute set of gloves. These were perfect for the winter. I loved how easily they fit. One of my concerns when I got these was how is the fur gonna hold up when it gets wet by either the snow or if you put it in the washing machine, and I wanna tell you, they are great. The fur still looks soft and nice on the outside. These are washed and they came out clean. Now I'm gonna show you what I look like when I wore them. I love the pale pink color and I love the softness of the fur. The fur is on the cuff, but very comfortable, and in the rest of the inside was lined with a warming material, so I really liked that. I love that these were good and easy to wash because we all know if you're in snow, you're going to get wet, and I'm so happy that the fur did not get ruined on these. I feel like the color and look of these was just nice and elegant, but I took my kids snowboarding with these and I wore them, and I was also able to just be girly and stay warm in these cute gloves. I really, really love them. And they didn't even start to get wet from hours of use. I highly recommend these gloves, but that's just my point of view.